Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to go premium on the Drops application, thereby being able to use a bunch of additional functions. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the premium icon down below, which is the last option. Now if you scroll down, you can see the advantages of purchasing a premium pack. As you can see, there are two plans you can choose from, the lifetime and yearly option. If you are interested in any of these, just simply tap on the relevant one, thereby being able to start the process of purchasing the premium plan. Then you will be able to learn more easily on this application, and you will be able to use extra functions. As you can see, you are ready to learn to read and write new alphabets with the Scripts app, and you can read about the advantages of buying or going premium on Drops. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.